What if I told you that most people kill their first houseplants not because they're bad gardeners, but because they chose the wrong plants? Yes, that's the truth. Some plants are dramatic, needy, and almost impossible for beginners, but others, they practically take care of themselves. And today, you're going to discover the top 10 houseplants every beginner should start with. Plants so easy, so forgiving, that even if you forget them for weeks, they still survive and thrive. These are the plants that don't panic if you miss watering, don't demand perfect sunlight, don't die just because you're new. If you're starting your indoor jungle in 2026, this list will save you time, money, and frustration. Let's dive into the easiest plants that'll make you feel like a natural-born plant parent. Number 1. Snake plant. The snake plant is basically the indestructible soldier of houseplants. If you are someone who forgets watering, this plant will still forgive you. It survives in low light, bright light, dry air, and even neglect. Its tall, sword-like leaves make it a perfect modern decor piece for bedrooms, offices, and living rooms. One of its biggest advantages is that it releases oxygen at night, which is why many people place it near their bed for better air quality. Care is extremely simple. Water only when the soil is completely dry, sometimes once every 2 to 3 weeks. Overwatering is the only real danger for this plant. Even if you are a total beginner who has killed plants before, the snake plant gives you a fresh start. It grows slowly but steadily, and over time it becomes a bold statement piece in your home. If you want a plant that teaches you confidence without stress, this is your number 1 choice. Number 2. Pothos. Pothos is often called the beginner's best friend in the plant world. Why? Because it grows fast, adapts easily, and looks beautiful almost anywhere. Its trailing vines can grow long and lush, making it perfect for shelves, hanging pots, or wall decor. You can even grow it in water, which makes it extra fun for beginners. One of the best things about pothos is its tolerance. Low light, it survives. Bright, indirect light, it thrives. Forgot to water it? It waits patiently. You'll actually see it communicate with you. Leaves may droop slightly when thirsty, then bounce back quickly after watering. That makes it a great learning plant for beginners. You can also trim it and propagate new plants in water easily, turning one plant into many. That makes it not just a plant, but a growing collection. If you want fast results, green beauty, and zero stress, pothos is the perfect starting point. Number 3. ZZ plant. The ZZ plant looks like a luxury indoor plant, but it behaves like the easiest plant on Earth. Its glossy, dark green leaves store water inside thick rhizomes underground, meaning it can survive long periods without care. This plant is perfect for busy people, travelers, or anyone who forgets watering. It thrives in low light conditions where other plants struggle, making it ideal for offices or dim rooms. The ZZ plant grows slowly, but that's part of its charm. It doesn't demand attention, yet always looks polished and healthy. Watering should be very rare, usually once every 2 to 3 weeks or even less depending on the environment. Overwatering is the only real risk. What makes this plant special is its always clean appearance. The leaves naturally shine, giving your space a modern, minimal aesthetic. If you want a plant that feels like it's on autopilot, the ZZ plant is your perfect match. Number 4. Peace lily. The peace lily is one of the most elegant beginner plants you can own. With its deep green leaves and white flower-like spathes, it brings a calming, peaceful vibe to any room. What makes it special is how it talks to you. When it needs water, it droops dramatically, then recovers quickly after watering. This makes it very beginner-friendly because you always know what it wants. It also helps purify indoor air, making it a great choice for bedrooms and living spaces. Peace lilies prefer indirect light and slightly moist soil, but they don't require perfection. Even if you miss care occasionally, they usually bounce back. Over time, with the right conditions, it can bloom beautiful white flowers that add a soft, elegant touch to your home. If you want a plant that feels alive, expressive, and rewarding, the peace lily is a great choice. Number 5. Spider plant. The spider plant is one of the most fun beginner plants because it produces baby plants called pups that hang down like little spiders. It's extremely easy to grow and adapts well to different environments. It thrives in indirect light but can also handle shade. Watering is simple. Just keep the soil lightly moist but not soggy. Even if you forget occasionally, it usually survives without problems. One of the best things about spider plants is propagation. You can cut the babies and grow new plants in water or soil, making your collection grow quickly. It's also known for improving indoor air quality, which adds extra value to your home. If you want a plant that is interactive, fast-growing, and rewarding, the spider plant is a perfect beginner choice. 6. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is not just a plant, it's a natural survival machine and healing station in one pot. For beginners, this plant is a dream because it thrives on neglect. If you forget to water it, it won't panic. In fact, overwatering is the only real danger. Its thick, fleshy leaves store water like a cactus, which means it can survive dry conditions for weeks. That's why it's perfect for busy people or first-time plant owners. But here's what makes aloe vera truly special. It's not just beautiful, it's useful. The gel inside its leaves is widely used for soothing burns, skin irritation, and minor cuts. It prefers bright, indirect sunlight in well-draining soil. Just place it near a window and water it only when the soil is completely dry. Aloe vera also produces small baby plants at the base, which you can separate and grow into new plants easily. This plant teaches beginners one important lesson: less care is often better than too much care. If you want a plant that is practical, healing, and almost impossible to mess up, aloe vera is the perfect choice. 7. Rubber plant. The rubber plant is the definition of bold, modern indoor beauty. With its large, glossy leaves, it instantly transforms any space into a stylish green corner. For beginners, it's surprisingly easy to care for. It prefers moderate to bright, indirect light, but it can also adapt to lower light conditions. One of its biggest strengths is its resilience. It doesn't require constant attention and can handle occasional neglect better than many decorative plants. Watering is simple, only when the top layer of soil becomes dry. Overwatering should be avoided, as it prefers slightly dry conditions over soggy soil. As it grows, the rubber plant becomes a statement piece. It can reach impressive indoor heights, giving your home a tropical, luxurious feel. Another bonus is its air-purifying ability, helping improve indoor air quality naturally. If you want a plant that looks expensive but is easy to maintain, the rubber plant is an excellent beginner choice. 8. Monstera deliciosa is one of the most famous houseplants in the world, often called the Instagram plant because of its dramatic split leaves. Even though it looks exotic and high maintenance, it is actually very beginner-friendly. It thrives in bright, indirect light, but it can also adapt to medium light conditions. As it grows, its leaves develop natural holes and splits, giving it a unique tropical appearance. Watering is simple. Allow the topsoil to dry before watering again. It does not like being overwatered, but it also doesn't demand constant attention. One exciting thing about Monstera is how it changes over time. The older it gets, the more dramatic and beautiful its leaves become. It also grows aerial roots, which help it climb and support itself, making it feel like a living jungle plant inside your home. For beginners, it offers the perfect balance: low effort, high visual reward. If you want a plant that looks like a tropical paradise, Monstera is the one. 9. Philodendron. Philodendron is one of the easiest trailing plants you can grow indoors. Its soft, heart-shaped leaves and fast-growing vines make it a favorite for beginners. It adapts to almost any indoor environment: low light, medium light, or bright indirect light. This flexibility makes it extremely forgiving. Watering is simple. Keep the soil lightly moist, but allow it to dry slightly between waterings. It will tell you when it's thirsty by slightly drooping. One of its biggest advantages is how fast it grows. Within weeks, you'll see new leaves and vines stretching out beautifully. It is also extremely easy to propagate in water. Just cut a stem and place it in a glass, and new roots will grow quickly. Philodendron gives beginners instant confidence because it responds so quickly to care. If you want a lush, green plant that feels alive and rewarding, Philodendron is a perfect choice. 10. Lucky bamboo. Lucky bamboo is one of the most unique beginner plants because it can grow in both water and soil. It is often associated with good luck and positive energy, making it a popular choice for homes and offices. For beginners, it is extremely low maintenance. If grown in water, you only need to change the water every 1 to 2 weeks. If grown in soil, just keep it slightly moist. It prefers indirect light and does not like harsh, direct sunlight, which can burn its leaves. One of the most interesting things about lucky bamboo is how it can be shaped into spirals and decorative patterns, making it a living decor piece in your home. It grows slowly but steadily and requires very little effort to maintain its fresh green appearance. If you want a symbolic, peaceful, and nearly effortless plant, lucky bamboo is the perfect final addition to your beginner collection. Start your plant journey with just one of these, and you'll slowly build your own indoor jungle. Remember, every plant expert once started as a beginner.